Welcome back. Let's get right back to meteorologist Nick Maruziak, who is live in Storm Tracker 21 right now, getting in position for some storms that are developing off to our southwest. Nick, what's it looking like where you are and where are you headed?
Well, we're just about to get on to 24 here. We're actually going to reposition down towards Huntington just to get an idea of what's going on. But visually, you do see some clouds up in the distance that are showing at least some signs of life. Now, it is worth pointing out that we have been watching the clouds in the distance, and there is significantly more cloud cover off to the west. So as we turn a little bit here, you'll probably see more what I would say is a milky gray. That's actually more or less just a cirrus build. So at this point, we are starting to see a little bit of heavier cloud cover off to the south. It is worth us investigating. Again, there doesn't seem to be much imminent based on the cloud cover, but of course, you would have a better idea as you start to go through the radars, because I'm only going off what I see visually, and I'm just seeing, you know, a lot of instability in the air. That cirrus field, though, is a little bit thick for right now, so not a lot of sun poking through. But again, we are repositioning. We are heading over in towards Marion, and actually let me swap things over here, kind of show you. Let's see, that is, whoop, that's the wrong grape. That's actually what I want to show you. This is actually looking more south, and you can see a couple of broken skies, but again, we're on our way towards Huntington. There are at least a little bit more clouds over in towards the south. So again, we are in Storm Tracker 21. We'll let you know if we see anything on the roadway. Let's send it back inside.
All right, thanks, Nick. Yeah, looking maybe quiet right now, but that radar about to turn a lot more active as the storms move in. For that reason, a severe thunderstorm watch has been issued for all of our counties. This goes until 1 a.m. Tomorrow morning for all of our counties again. So it's going to be a long evening tonight, but those storms really taking off to the west. With several severe thunderstorm watches in effect. But here's what we're watching right here. Here's what Nick is getting in position for. Some of these cells off to our southwest that are going to track our way over the next couple of hours here. And they're really rapidly developing and intensifying. That's what this one over here has done. Really, within the last half hour, this cell went from being very small, close to looking like this one now, to being a severe thunderstorm, or at least warned as a severe thunderstorm. So we're going to continue to watch these cells as they develop just to our west, and even perhaps in our own backyard. There was a cell developing just to the south of Bluffton. You see, though, a lot of cloud cover off to our west. Not a whole lot going on. It maybe doesn't look all that impressive, but this cloud cover is actually going to serve as a little bit of lift to spark off additional shower and thunderstorm development through the evening tonight, and that's why we're going to really have to be keeping a careful watch on that. You can also see now a line of showers and thunderstorms developing off into parts of Iowa. This is another round of storms we expect late tonight in those overnight hours. So let's break that all down for you. But also, here's the reason for those showers and storms developing. Very hot and humid today. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, close to 90 there in Paulding. Merge that with these dew points near 70 degrees. This is tropical. This is a tropical air mass. So we have that heat and humidity that acts as some fuel for those storms. Let's time it all out for you again on Future Track. Next couple of hours, we continue to see those showers and storms developing in our own backyard here. Those will continue to push off and work to the east, perhaps forming a little bit more of a line as they do so. This then is that other round that's back in Iowa right now, as it'll race our way along with a cold front, bringing additional showers and storms in the very early morning hours Monday, leaving behind just a few scattered showers, not really expecting much in the way of thunderstorm activity on Monday, but it won't be a totally dry day with some rain showers possible. Behind that, we'll finally clear out on Monday. So some rainy periods over the next couple of days here, but here's really what you need to know in terms of that storm timing and the threats for tonight. So winds will be the greatest threat overall with those strong straight line winds possible, but that tornado threat is also there. We can't rule out a few of those isolated tornadoes. And as those storms merge into more of a line, those little spin up tornadoes along the line will also be of concern. The timing, really, it starts now, continues through midnight, that 1 a.m. time frame. Again, the wind threat is the greatest, but that tornado and hail threat will be there, especially as those cells remain a little bit more discrete. In terms of the timing, again, really primarily taking place to our west over the next couple of hours, then moving into our western counties at 8 to 10 p.m. time frame, and then eventually farther off to the east as we approach the midnight hours. Again, that's just that first round overall. That second round will be arriving late in the overnight hours. So tonight, 70 degrees. It'll be a warm evening. But again, those strong storms likely. For the day tomorrow, a calmer day overall with temperatures in the mid-70s with some scattered showers around. Heading into next week, much cooler behind these storms as the temperatures will fall down to the low 70s.